All right, I got week 22 walkthrough here. So Monday, no school. Don't do anything that day. Tuesday, what we got is the Unit 5 review of chemical reactions with a walkthrough. This walkthrough will not be published right away. I'll publish it on Wednesday. Okay, but what that means is that you need to submit it for full points by the end of the day, Tuesday. Okay, it's basic review of everything that we've done up to this point. We'll go over it during 6th hour as well, or during seminar. And then you have the Unit 5 open note test. It's some of the material, but due to the nature of things, I want to make sure that we get a really good assessment of this stuff that we've solidified, and then we'll add things in later if we can, depending on scheduling stuff. But as of right now, a lot of unknowns, so we're just going to do that way. Okay, so that's week 22. That's it. Just one thing to note moving forward is we are going to have your ACT in 2 weeks. That's your free ACT. So next week we're going to do some ACT prep before we move back on and into reactions. All right, love you guys. Appreciate you. Have a great week.